To zip a file in Windows, you can use the built-in functionality, eliminating the need to download any third-party software. The process begins with selecting the files you want to compress. This can be a single file, multiple files selected by dragging and dropping over them, or even a folder containing files. Once the desired files are selected, right-click on them, navigate to, send to, and then choose Compressed Folder. This action creates a new compressed folder, which can be renamed as desired. The newly created folder contains the selected files in a compressed format, making it easier to send or store. To open the compressed folder, simply double-click on it. From there, you can extract all the files by using the Extract All option, or you can open individual files directly from the compressed folder. This straightforward process allows you to easily zip and unzip files in Windows, utilizing the operating system's inherent capabilities.